foreigner from Uganda, East Africa. My YouTube channel name is The Foreigner. So what's your name and yeah?
Yeah, Duane. Actually, funny enough, I'm not from here. I live in JOBURG.
Okay.
There's no kiteboarding there.
Yeah.
So my family's down the side, so every opportunity I get, I come down here, get the kite up,
Yeah.
some kiteboarding. Yeah, also do a bit of wing foiling. I don't know if you know what that is.
No, I don't really know.
Yeah, it looks completely different. It's like for crazy people.
Okay.
It's basically like a surfboard with a foil underneath, a little handheld kite. Yeah.
So how you like it in PE?
I love it. Yeah. But yeah, my family's still here, so I enjoy it. It's always
Guys, oh, hope there's no music in the background. From this end, I'm seeing this guy surfing. Some strange magic. I don't know how long he's done this for, but God willing, I'll get to interview him and see. Wow, Santa Maria. Thanks. Actually, my name is William the Foreigner. I'm actually a foreigner from Uganda, East Africa. My YouTube channel name is The Foreigner. So what's your name and yeah?
Yeah, Duane. Actually, funny enough, I'm not from here. I live in JOBURG.
Okay.
There's no kiteboarding there.
Yeah.
So my family's down the side, so every opportunity I get, I come down here, get the kite up,
Yeah.
some kiteboarding. Yeah, also do a bit of wing foiling. I don't know if you know what that is.
No, I don't really know.
Yeah, it's completely different. It's like for crazy people.
Okay.
It's basically like a surfboard with a foil and a little handheld kite. Yeah,
So how you like it in PE?
I love it. But yeah, family's still here, so I enjoy it. It's always win. It's never a day that there's no win.
Yeah. It's a windy city, it's a windy province, but I like it sometimes because of the water. I get to swim. I was also in JOBURG a couple of months ago, but I like it here.
That's why people here have to do these type of sports.
Yeah.
That's how you win.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you.
So how long have you done this thing?
I started this last year September.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
But you've done it like a pro, like a really big pro.
No. That's amateur stuff. When you see the pros, they're like 20 meters into the air.
Wow.
Yeah, it's crazy.
So how can someone get into this sport, or how can they start up? It seems like it's an expensive sport or anything.
It is an expensive. The barrier to entry is quite high. The best thing to do is do some lessons.
Okay.
Flat water, so you're not going to do inflation. It's
Okay.
quite difficult when the waves are hitting you.
Yeah.
Choose flat water, good wind, someone that's helping you. They'll tell you exactly. You learn how to fly the kite, and yeah, you can get going very quickly.
Oh, that's amazing. So I'll ask you one thing. Do you speak Afrikaans?
No, not really.
Okay, I'll ask my people to subscribe, or your friends to subscribe in any language you feel like, or this one can still use English.
Yeah, English is the best.
All right.
I understand Afrikaans, but yeah, it's,
You're not yet there.
It's not my best. I hardly ever have to use it, but I can understand it.
Okay. So tell them to subscribe, like, share out, because it means a lot to me.
Yeah, well, it means a lot. I mean, welcome to South Africa.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
If you ever want to do lessons and stuff, there's a lot of guys here that do it.
Yeah.
So, yeah, there's also community at PE.
Yeah.
See,